She was just 16 and all alone when I came to be. So we grew up together, my mama, child and me. Now things were bad and she was scared, but whenever I would cry, she'd calm my fears and dry my tears with a rock and roll lullaby. And she'd sing sha-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, it will be alright. Sha-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, now just hold on tight. Sing it to me, mama. Sing it sweet and clear, oh mama, let me hear that old rock and roll lullaby. Now we made it through the lonely days, but Lord, the nights were long, and we dream of better mornings when Mama sang a song. Now I can't recall the words at all. It don't make sense to try, 'cause I just knew lots of love